super stoked today to tell everyone the big news. Good morning, everyone. My name is Dan. I'm an intern. Well, I used to be an intern. Of course, aside from me being full-time now for over 2 weeks. Congratulations to me. Happy 2-week anniversary, right? The higher-ups told me I could set up a meeting with all of you kind folks to tell you the great news, which is we got SOLIDWORKS, and in my book, that's a pretty big deal.
I'm sorry, but this news doesn't really apply to me. No offense, I'm happy you're happy about this, but the fact that we are now going to be designing our products with SOLIDWORKS isn't going to help me validate anything easier or better than I do today.
Adam, I'm so sorry.
Yeah, I mean, just to follow up on what Adam said, SOLIDWORKS is all about mechanical design, and of course, I mean, our team is all about the electrical side of things.
Yeah, so super stoked to be in a meeting with Megan. I've heard so much about her. I'm grateful that she showed up. I, of course, put her in the optional field.
So I do have a couple of concerns, the main one being, how are we going to manage what we end up creating inside of SOLIDWORKS and the licensing too?
Yeah, I mean, when Mike comes to me, it's usually for a favor. You know, usually take a screenshot here and there from my CAD software. But the truth is, I'm not an intern anymore, and I'm sort of sick of doing it.
Hey Dan, Mike here. Just really quick, I just need some help getting product brochures, video stuff, things like that done from you guys. I assume that's something you'd be able to continue doing, even though you're just using SolidWorks now, right?
Hey, Mike, guess what? I have some great news for you. Yeah, you can do that for yourself now, sport. For yourself now, sport. For yourself now, sport. Oh yeah, the basketball court. It was here when I got here. This used to actually be a storage closet. Guess the biggest difference is I just work here now, and all the rest of the stuff is still here.